বন্ধুরা, আজকে আমরা আবার উপস্থিত হয়েছি ক্লাস 10 এর অধ্যায়ভিত্তিক সাজেশন নিয়ে। আজকের অধ্যায় ইংলিশের ব্যাকরণ পাঠ নিয়ে। বিগত বৎসরগুলিতে ইংলিশের ব্যাকরণের যেসব প্রশ্নাবলী মাধ্যমিক পরীক্ষায় এসেছিল সেগুলো নিয়ে আমরা আলোচনা করব। প্রথমে আলোচনা করব 2024। 1 নম্বর কোশ্চেন, I am too tired to work. Turn into a complex sentence. Answer, I am so tired that I cannot walk. The students are staging a play. Change the voice. A play is being staged by the students. Next, the mother said to the boy, do not waste time on mobile phone. Turn into indirect speech. The mother advised the boy not to waste time on mobile phone. Next, 2023. 1 number question. People on the train sang bhajans. Sense the voice. Bhajans were sung by the people on the train. Next, Samuel said, Shaminathan, where is your homework? Change into indirect speech. Samuel asked Shaminathan where his homework was. Next, he put it in an envelope and sealed it. Turn into a simple sentence. Putting it in an envelope, he sealed it. বন্ধুরা, এখানে প্রশ্নর লেখাগুলো আসলে এরকম হওয়ার কারণে ঘোলা ঘোলা তোমাদের দেখা যেতে পারে, কিন্তু তোমরা একটু ভালো করে খাতায় তুলে সলভ করবে, ঠিক আছে? নেক্সট, 2022. The poor man carried a heavy load. Change the voice. A heavy load was carried by the poor man. Next, what has he done, father? Said Swami. Change into indirect speech. Swami asked his father what he had done. Next, the people was turned to speak in the beginning. Read the sentence using so that. The people were so turned that they could not speak in the beginning. Next, 2020. The authorities postponed the cricket match. Change the voice. The cricket match was postponed by the authorities. Next, is there anybody there, said the traveler. Change the indirect speech. The traveler asked if there was anybody there. Next, we should not show cruelty to animals. Write using adjective form of the word underlined. We should not be cruel to animal. Next, 2019. He was worked out the answer carefully. The answer have been worked out carefully by him. You do not take care of your health, you may fall ill. Join into a single sentence using an adverb clause. Unless you take care of your health, you may fall ill. Next, what have you written, Sachin? the teacher said. Change into indirect speech. The teacher said such in what he had written. Next, 2018. Garbage causes pollution. It may be used as a source of energy. Join into a single sentence using a relative clause. Garbage which causes pollution may be used as a source of energy. Next, the teacher delivered a lecture to a group of students. A lecture was delivered to a group of students by the teacher. The trainers said, "Why is everybody late today?" Change into indirect speech. The trainer asked why everybody was late that day. Next, 2017. It was raining. The children could not go out to play. Join into a complex sentences. As it was raining, the children could not go out to play. My friend gave me a storybook. Change the voice. A storybook was given to me by my friend. The policeman said to the thief, "Where have you kept the stolen goods?" Change into indirect speech. The policeman asked the thief where he had kept the stolen goods. এই ভিডিওটি দেখার জন্য তোমাদের সকলকে ধন্যবাদ। যদি তোমাদের এই ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগে তোমরা অবশ্যই লাইক ও শেয়ার করিও। আবারও তোমাদের সকলকে ধন্যবাদ।